good.
I'm more excited.
It died again.
There's more brood.
Nope, not getting
And
it.
here that looks like another swarm cell.
Yeah, that's one right there.
Right there.
Man, it's like they're preparing for D-Day, which is coming up in a few days. I would laugh if they swarmed on June 6th.
We're going to Normandy. June 6th. Oh,
I didn't like that.
kind of sliced one half there. Alright, Noah was guessing Jenny'd be in here.
No, definitely.
Oh. So there's another queen swarm cell.
Oh my lord. I see him. Joe.
Sorry, Noah was getting a bee off my foot because I wore chacos
Probably
today.
all over us. I swear, there's always that one crazy person who wears chocolates with the bee on.
Alright, so we have swarm cells, which we are concerned about.
This is the one I have my bets on.
The one. No.
Oh, I see an empty queen. Oh, I see the queen.
Noah sees the queen.
No, never mind. That's a worker.
Psych.
Just kidding.
Green dot on her.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I thought I saw it. Thought
There's
I saw
another queen cell.
the extra abdomen. There we go. She's probably somewhere right here. Because you see all of them are frenzy somewhere in there. I don't see any. I don't see her. Is that her? No. That's just. I don't see her.
A sign of Jenny there.
Maybe she's on the. Maybe she went to Nam with Lieutenant Dan. Now I'm gonna have to go home and watch it all over again for 5 times.
Well, if she's aptly named, Jenny dies. So.
Oh yeah, she does, doesn't she? That hive has a lot of ants in it.
Really?
She might be in this one. There's only 2 more that she could be in. Before we open that hive, I want to let them cool down. And so we can get some water.